By request, I'm going to show you how to connect JetBrains Academy to Android Studio. So say you were doing a lesson here. You were doing all this theory, and then you came to the practicing part. Down here below, you'll be able to solve this problem in the IDE or in the code editor in their web interface. This might not be, you might not need an IDE for small problems. Eventually there will be some complex ones and there should be a nice IDE, but mostly for the project stages, when as they build upon each other, you might like it more there. It's up to you. So the first thing you would do is you would go to sync with IDE, and here to the left we see the version for the Android. We already downloaded and installed Android Studio. We would need the plugin for Edit Tools. Right, and then it requires that you need to be logged in into Android Studio with your JetBrains Academy account. So let's do that. We'll go to Plugins, Marketplace, search for Edit Tools, install. I'd close it and open it again. And it will look different now. Here we can see my courses. Here you will be able to see once you're logged in, you'll be able to see your JetBrains Academy projects, and there are also other communities or services. That's cool. You can even create a course. That's nice. So let's go to Customize, All Settings, and if we go to default, we want to go into Tools, and here we have Education, and we will see the different organizations. We are interested in JetBrains Academy. We want to log in, and since I'm logged into the browser already, is to recognize that, and all I have to do is authorize. And now we are done. And I am logged in here. Great. Let's see what happens. Oh, loading, nice. And it recognizes that I had chosen the Zookeeper project. They're like default settings. I'm in the Android subdirectories. I'm happy with this. And it's already automatically chosen the JDK that was installed with Android Studio. Let's press start. And we're in. Loading a bit. To the right we have the description of the problem. And to the left, there's nothing much there yet. It's building a bit. Just let it complete for the first time. Oh, and here we see we have a theory application. So you'll be able to, if you had solved all your problems in the IDE, when you forget something, you can always go back to previous topics and look for a specific solution that you used. The problem statement is to, let's see, what do you want us to do? This is, oh, here. That was a theory. Now we're in the question, and it wants us to fix this. So we get the correct output, and we can see that this is not a string. And then we'll check. You will check your solution. And even if you're wrong, you would get a generally a good feedback and what the problem could be, and it was correct. That's nice. And we will see here, and it syncs. Yes, we did good. We could go next. Some problems are require a code solution, and others are multi-choice. And for the project stages, you'll be working in the IDE or code editor in the web interface. Hope that helps.